Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to use Microsoft Office for free on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. It is easy. Open Microsoft Edge. Search for Microsoft 365 in the browser's search bar. Open the Microsoft 365 website. Click on Login. Log in using your Microsoft credentials. If you are logged into your system using a Microsoft account, you would be able to sign in directly by entering the computer's PIN. Else, enter your credentials. You will notice the options for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel there. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. You will notice that the options in this online version of Microsoft Word are mostly similar to the paid version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comments section of the video on how we could help you further.